Welcome to Send Your Rain Conference 2016.
The living water, an ever-flowing tide, the rock of steady ages, an ocean vast and wide, an unending supply. In no place will you find it dry. He restores my fleeting spirit, puts spring into my step, adds sunshine where godly things are kept. He is the sure foundation, removes doubts and fear. When I'm overcome by life, his voice I often hear. He is the rose of Sharon, the keeper of my soul, the lily of the valley, the one who makes me whole. He is the gentle current, a river running free, my refuge at the harbor, an anchor on life's sea. He is the living water, the fruit upon the vine, the grapes when I'm hungry, the essence and the wine. We are his rain on earth with the same aim, to saturate and sustain dry land. Hand in hand go and penetrate dark corners with light and living waters. Raise your love and not your voice. After all, it's rain that grows flowers, not thunder. Rain is the healing element, we never need to wonder. Lord, send us your rain into barren lands, 2 by 2, hand in hand, just as you plan. As the deer longs for the water, so the world will long for you. A new living water will brew. Send your rain on finances, bringing breakthroughs and balance. Send your rain on households, bringing God character and newly formed molds. Send your rain in workplaces where you will be the center and oasis. Send your rain. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come as you send your rain.
You steady me, slow and sweet. We sway, take the lead, and I will follow. finally ready now to close my eyes and just believe that you won't lead me where you don't go. When my faith gets tight and my hope seems lost, you spin me round and around and remind me of that song, the one you wrote for me, and we dance. And we dance. And I've been told to pick up my sword and fight for love. Little did I know that love had won for me. Here in your arms, you're still my heart again. I breathe you in like I've never breathed till now. When my faith gets tight and my hope seems lost, you spin me round and around and remind me of that song, the one you wrote for me, and we dance. Oh, we dance. Oh, when we dance, we dance. Oh. And I will lock eyes with the one who's ransomed me, the one who gave me joy for more.